YouTube? My name Audie. This is my first video. I just want to do a quick walk around on my 2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. It's indigo blue. I think it's like a what is this? A blacked out package. Like it's like an add-on with the blacked out wheels. A upgraded package with the Brembo brakes. I think it's like six piston brakes. Yeah, I think it's like sport rotors. I don't know if those the upgrade. Got the 392 Hemi badging. Or you want to get that switched. It's already tinted out. Like I said, black roof. Tires are Pirelli P0 275s. I think that's on the back and the front. Really want to upgrade the wheels. Let me know what wheels you think I should upgrade to. Maybe some 305s. I don't know what these are called. What are these? Goddamn air intakes. I really want to get these probably switched out to a different color. Let me know what color I should get them switched to. On Instagram and YouTube, TikTok at superb_scat. I really want to do some mods to it, but I don't know, cause I got bumper to bumper, 100,000 mile warranty. But you know what I'm saying? If I get my subscribers up, hey, I'll turbocharge it, whatever. You feel me? Y'all gotta just follow me. But I got some upgrades coming soon. Me and my little brother got it fixed, not too far away, to see what they got for me. Let's get a real quick startup. It's not a cold start. Get to the back. It's not a cold start, but just, you know, a quick startup. Give you guys a few revs. Maybe a little burnout. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, you know what I'm saying? My TikTok, again, is superb_scat. That's SUPER_scat. My main page, my personal page, is All Praise Audie. And my girl behind the camera, you already know about her. Her name's Shay. Follow her, Ikson Shorty. And that's about it for the video. Give you guys a quick, you know what I'm saying, little something.
Y'all, he really left me. Y'all, he gonna hit me. Y'all, he gonna hit me. Make sure y'all subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and yeah, let us know what y'all want to see in the car. Y'all want to see my reaction? Because I really have never rode in this car. Only when we came around here. I have never been in a car.
Did you give me my takeoff?
Yeah, I did.
You stopped it, didn't you?
No, I did. I kept going, y'all. He probably still gonna do it, but I'm gonna cut it out. That's it.